actually goes up and down. What is going on, guys? It's your boy the Cool Matata for my game people. Welcome to Wrenchettes. We're now going to work on this beautiful G35 full of stuff, but on life as well. Now today we're going to work on the G, my awesome G, and we're going to do something that I was supposed to be doing for a long time, and that is change the motor of the passenger side window. As you can see, it doesn't work. So the plan is to take off that little clip right there, take off this panel right here. There's two bolts here. One is short and the other one is a deep socket, so you will need an extension. So that bolt is being very stubborn, doesn't want to come out, so I'm going to try to take it off without taking that panel off. Okay, so I am finally driving with the window down, baby. Look, it actually goes up and down. Woo, very nice. And then you can put it all the way down if you want. Very cool. I couldn't do that before, so now I can. Great success. The only thing is that the mechanism for my window is messed up. It's like it's always something new with this car. It's just so old and rusty. Cars just fail all the time. So now I have to get a new mechanism for the window, which I don't mind at all. Accident. Damn. Buckle up, guys. Go slowly. Look at that. Until next time, guys. Peace in the Middle East.